how to create Grindr account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Grindr application on your device, and now in the interface that you will be led to, if you already have an account, then simply enter your email ID and password and then tap on the login option in order to log yourself in. Or you can also sign in using your Google account, your Facebook account, or your Apple ID. But if you do not already have an account, then tap on the sign up option on the top right of your screen, and you will then be required to agree to the terms of service. So go ahead and tap on the proceed option you see there and then tap on the accept button. Further, you will then be required to create your account. So simply enter a valid email address, your password, and then confirm your password, and then enter the date of birth. Once entered, if you want occasional emails regarding your account, then toggle on the toggle button you see there, and finally tap on the create account button you see there. Or if you want, you can also create an account with your Google account or your Facebook account or your Apple ID. So, once you have entered the required details, you will be required to enter a valid phone number. So, enter a valid phone number and you will then receive a notification code or the verification code. So, enter the code sent to you in your mobile number and then tap on the verify button, and with this, your account will be created. You will then be required to choose a display name, your age, and you can also choose if you want to show your age or not, and you can then choose whom you are looking for. Once done, simply tap on the next button you see there on the top right of your screen, and with this, as you can see, your Grindr account is all set. So, this was about how you can create Grindr account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.